Ayun, kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Ayan. Mag-isa lang akong babati ngayon kasi nahirap pagsama-samahin ng mga schedule namin. Umaga pa lang wala na sila at pagdating iba't ibang oras din, kaya hayaan nyo, ako na lang mag-isa. But anyways, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa, Auntie Annie, Auntie Uning. Sana maging masaya ang celebration nyo ng mga kaarawan nyo ngayon. Kahit na medyo nakakalungkot ang mga nagdaang araw, sana maging malakas kayo at maging masaya araw-araw. Kasabay na rin yung mga ibang tito ko, ibang tita ko, mama ko. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. At sa mga pinsan kong laging nandyan sa tabi nila, pagpalain pa kayo ng nasa itaas. At sana sa susunod na bakasyon namin, magkita-kita tayong lahat ulit. Ayun. Happy birthday ulit sa inyong dalawa, Auntie. Much love. See you. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Ito na kaming lahat. Happy birthday, Auntie Annie. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Kain na!
Happy and blessed birthday, Auntie Annie and Auntie Uning.
We thank God for your life. You two are truly a blessing to us and to the whole family as well. Such a loving and caring titas. And we pray that God will continue to bless you with long life, protection, good health and strength, and many more blessings to come in every areas of your life.
Thank you sa pagiging mabait and caring na auntie namin sa aming mga magpipinsan. Naalala ko nung mga bata pa kami, lagi kayong dumadalaw sa bahay, kinakamusta kami at may dalang pasalubong. And kahit na lumaki na kami, naging binata at dalaga na, we still feel na you still care and you are proud sa mga na-achieve namin. And sa pagkakaalam ko, kayo yung mga naunang naniwala sa mga tinuturo ni Papa at sumunod sa pananampalataya. Kaya yung iba sa amin ngayon, hindi lang active sa church, nagsaserve na rin sa church. So we are blessed to have you as our auntie, and we thank God for your life. Once again,
Happy birthday! Hey! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Annie and Uning. Wish ko kan ikaw yung dua. Good health always. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
To my dearest grandmas, Mama Ann and Mama Annie, on your special day, we wish you both a very happy birthday. We are grateful to be able to celebrate this occasion with you and to send our love and best wishes. Thank you for the love, care, and guidance you have given us in different ways. We hope this birthday brings you happiness, good health, and many cherished moments. May the year ahead filled with peace, joy, and all the blessings you deserve. And always take care of yourselves, Mama Ann and Mama Annie. May God bless you. We love you so much. Mwah!
Hello! Gusto kong i-greet ang aking twins na pinsan na sina Ate Ana at saka si Ate Annie ng happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Wish ko sa inyo is good health, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come sa inyong dalawa. I love you!
Hi Annie and Uning! Wish you a very happy, blessed, memorable 60th birthday. You are both blessed by our faithful God. Senior na kayo, kaya welcome to senior life. 20% discount. Always nasa priority na rin kayo. Wish you and pray that the Lord will sustain you both in your spiritual life. Continue to be faithful in the Lord. I wish you all the years, happy years, and a fruitful years ahead. God bless you both. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye! Enjoy!
Hi mga ading ko! Happy birthday! Sa inyong dalawa po, 60 yung gayabot niya. Oh, sapay mamunta na kwa tayo pa'y, napigsa tayo pa'y. Napigsapay ti kwa tayo. Ti pinagbiag tayo. Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa.
Hi Mama Ani and Mama Uning. Happy birthday po. Always prioritize your health. God bless and see you soon again. Happy birthday!
Birthday Mama Uning and Mama Ani. And good health. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you!
Hi! In behalf of Pastor Aloyda and Healing Touch of Jesus Christ, binabati ko po ang kambal na sila Sister Anita at Sister Anna na a blessed birthday to both of you. May the Lord continue to bless you and keep you and protect you. And of course, I wish you have a good life, a good health, a long and satisfying life. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Hello po, this is Lucky Robles of the Clones Eat Bulaga. And binabati ko po ng happy birthday si Miss Annie and Miss Anna. Happy 60th birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless you and more blessings sa family niyo.
Happy birthday po, Tita Ani at Tita Ana. More birthdays to come po. Ako po si Kian ko. Enjoy your birthday. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello po Tita Ani and Tita Ana sa inyo po and happy birthday po sa inyo. I wish you all the best po at po palagi and may God bless you all.
Happy birthday Sister Annie and Sister Anna. Salamat sa Panginoon sa inyong buhay at naging kabahagi kayo ng Women's Ministry ng Word of Hope Province of Novaliches. Ang aming prayer para sa inyo ay marami pang idagdag ang Diyos na maliligayang kaarawan sa inyong dalawa bilang mga lingkod ng Panginoon. Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday nga po pala sa mami at saka sa tita ni Alex Pong, si Tita Ana and Tita Annie. Happy 60th birthday!
Okay, happy birthday!